Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a makeup transformation and I think I came out looking bomb if you ask me. I really like the bangs. I wish I could have bangs, guys, but I have really oily skin, so then they get all piecey and like oily and it just doesn't work out. But I really like them, so I had to get a wig with bangs. I also always wanted to dye my hair green and I love it. I think it looks so good. I also miss my short hair, so this wig is everything. So if you want to see how I achieved this, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so for this makeup look, I'm gonna be using the Colourpop Main Squeeze palette and I love these colors. Next, I'm gonna take my Coastal Scents 11 brush and go into the color Big Gulp, and I'm gonna apply that to the crease. Now with this Morphe crease brush, I'm gonna blend out the shadow. Now I'm gonna repeat until I get the desired pigmentation. Throughout this video, I'll be doing my left eye off camera. Now with the same Coastal Scents brush, I'm going into the color Seed Money and adding it to the crease to add some dimension. And I'm gonna be blending it out with the same Morphe brush. And again, I'm gonna repeat until I reach my desired pigmentation. And again with the same Coastal Scents brush, I'm gonna go into the color Red Bottoms and add it to my crease to darken up the look. And then we're gonna blend. And again, you're gonna repeat until you reach your desired pigmentation. Now I'm gonna take this Alamar concealer brush and my Makeup Revolution concealer, and we're gonna cut the crease. Now with my finger and this Coastal Scents flat shader brush, I'm going into the color Baywatch and adding it to my lid where I cut the crease. Now I'm going back to the color Red Bottoms and applying it to the outer corner of my lid to get rid of any harsh lines. Now I'm taking this Coastal Scents detail brush and my Jaclyn Hill highlight palette, and I'm using the colors Iced and Sparks and applying it to my brow bone. For lashes, I'll be using my Kiss Teddy lashes and applying it with my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe in the color Clear. I did my face off camera to save time. Now with this Scone Smudger brush, I'm applying the color Red Bottoms to my lower lash line and blending it out with my Coastal Scents brush. Again, you can make this as dark as you desire. Going back to my Coastal Scents detail brush, I'm going into this Glitter Vibes Hard Candy palette and taking that white shimmery color and adding it to my inner corner to make that eyeshadow look pop. Lastly, I'll be taking my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in Carbon Black and adding it to my lower lashes. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Let me give you a little close-up. I think the makeup turned out amazing. I feel like the red lip with the green wig, it just like Like always guys, anything that I use will be linked in the description box. Even the things that I didn't show, like my face stuff, it's gonna be in the description box. What I did on my face was exactly what I do in my everyday makeup routine. So if you want to know, go ahead and watch that video. And if not, like I said, I'll link everything down below. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up so I know and I can make more transformation videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe. My subs have been going down a little, but I'm having fun, it's okay. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.